Today we're going to show you how to install
honey diffuser. It's this 1417 Q right here.
whatever comes with the diffuser. This is not as strong as what we get. This one can hold up to like 30 pounds, rated, Home Depot rated. Tape, we self-taper the bottom, then we run up the wire to the brake light for your third brake light.
So just got
Alcohol, Windex,
whatever you have.
whatever.
Clean it so the 3M can get in there.
Grab you a drill.
No, you grab a Red Bull.
Oh, Red Bull.
You open this and just try it.
God.
Alright, so you grab a drill and you grab
Some cell tappers.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
You need 5. Cell tappers, no, cell tappers. This is what I do. You don't do this, but this is what I do. Here. So you line it up. Make sure everything fits good. Everything good. And you just start making your way down. What the fuck is that?
Everyone has their preference on how to install. That's how we do it, just to make sure fitment is good. We don't take off the 3M all the way, so that just in case we do have to readjust, it's not already on the car stick.
There you go. You can have your 5 cell tappers. That's it.
Next is
The wire to
the brake light. Lift up your carpet, your styro, whatever this stuff is, and you'll see this little rubber.
There you go. Now we're gonna take this off.
Take off this whole plastic surrounding to get behind the harness of the tail light.
This right here.
You see the harness right there.
This one. You plug it. You can have playroom. Be careful you don't cut the wires or anything, and you cut yourself. You're gonna need some wire strippers and tape. Okay, so you have your red one, your yellow, and your black. So guess where the red one goes to? To the red. And guess where the black one goes to? To black. And guess where the yellow goes to?
To yellow.
Nah, fool, we don't have yellow. So what's the closest to yellow? That's fucking green. So you go yellow to green, red to red, and black to black. And there you go. Make sure you like put your tape all around. Make sure you don't go nowhere. So Pip, my helper here. No, he's just chilling there. I'm just showing him like how to do it. And just
You watching? You watching? He's watching.
hey, you gotta plug it, alright? So you just gotta plug it after. Plug the second one. And you should be good to go, alright?
Testing. Turn on. Press the brakes. Good. Reverse process, put everything back together. That's how you install the diffusers over here. This applies for the V1 and V2s. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vid.
How? I don't even know.
Adios.
Adios.